The gas spring force calculator helps engineers determine the required force for gas springs when designing hinged lid applications. Let's start with the drop-down menus. For units, you can select either metric with kilograms, millimeters, and newtons, or imperial with pounds, inches, and pound force. I'm using metric for this demonstration. For number of gas springs, you can choose between 1 gas spring or 2 gas springs. I've selected 2 gas springs for this example. Now for the input fields. Lid weight in kilograms is where you enter the total weight of your lid or hatch. Lid length in millimeters is the full length of the lid from hinge to edge. Gas spring mount distance in millimeters is the distance from the hinge to where you'll mount the gas spring. Opening angle in degrees is your desired opening angle, which defaults to 90 degrees but can range from 30 to 120 degrees. After clicking Calculate Gas Spring Force, the calculator determines the minimum force rating needed for each gas spring to safely support your lid at the specified angle. This accounts for the mechanical advantage created by your mounting position and ensures smooth, controlled operation throughout the opening range. Find the link in the description below.